I don't think it's going to work. I have absolutely no faith in you.
Well, thanks.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Engines and Unfinished Business. Last week we said we were going to be removing the gearbox next, but we've had a little change of plan and decided actually to drop both the engine and the gearbox all in one go. We decided to take the engine out as well, as we've never done that before, it seems quite fun, and also want to change the timing belt and reseal the oil pan, and that'll be easier with the engine out of the car.
So this episode is just us preparing for that by taking off bits and pieces, shoving other bits and pieces through other bits and pieces.
That's pretty much it. We tried to make a cup of tea and we blew the fuse in our only extension lead.
These are our only plugs all the way up here. Yeah. We could go to Costa.
I think we just go to Costa.
Let's go to Costa.
That'll do. And then while we let that penetrate, we'll undo these panels. Something coming out.
It's just so awkward.
Yeah.
Got your magnetic tray. Wow, dirt.
Oh, there's also an earth on this side, I didn't realise.
Yeah.
My bad.
I did wonder why you're only lubing up the onesie.
Well, see, you should have said, I didn't realise.
I keep telling you, I don't really know what I'm doing. So.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Apparently you know more than me. Are you spanning me?
Why do you like to take things apart?
I like to see how they got together in the first place, and it helps me understand sort of how everything works and how it all coexists.
I'm sure a lot of people share.
I suspect they do. It's the engine bay temperature sensor. I need to remove that. And it's already missing one of its bolts for some reason.
Brilliant.
It's sheared off in there, so I hope this one doesn't shear off. We did penetrate it thoroughly with our fluid. So
Yes, we have to remember to say that, else everyone's like, oh, you need to put some plus gas on there.
I've seen it worse on the comments on other people's channels. We get off lightly.
That's because not many people watch our show.
That's true, yes. Let's keep it that way. Don't tell anyone we exist. Keep it to yourselves.
And we're really shit at replying to people's comments. Like, there's been really nice comments.
That
and
is
like,
true.
I always read it and be like, oh, that's really nice. And then I just carry on living my life.
I'll reply to that and don't.
This car needs such a good clean. It's so dirty.
What the fuck is that?
Like, do we still have the plant life? Oh my god, the plants are gone.
That's because I got rid of them.
Ah, what? My plants. I was growing stuff.
What's your thoughts?
Right now I'm thinking about lunch, if I'm honest.
Oh, no. It's a treat. It's like a little picnic. A picnic by the car. I believe in you. No more. Keep going. It's probably not going to shit. There we go.
Shit, son.
That's fucking teamwork.
Oh, this one's going in.
What's your favourite dish?
That's cool with me.
It's not my favourite.
But I'll do it.
For you. What's your favourite dish?
I'm not going to cook it.
But I'll order it from Zanzibar!
We'll find that later. It's always fun. Right, you got it?
Yeah. Have you?
Nope. A lift and separate.
Are you ready to remove the, what are these called?
Cross brace.
It's quite an awkward car to work on, isn't it?
Yes, it is definitely not the easiest to work on. I don't think anyone would disagree with you there.
You're going the wrong way. JK, LOL.
You made me doubt myself for a second there. Even though it's a fucking ratchet, so I can't do it the wrong way.
You can do it. It's free.
It's a
Bit rattly.
full of crap apparently.
Should pop out if you get it in the right position. But finding that position. Got it.
So that is the throttle cable released. And that should pop out of there. Oh, that's...
That's supposed to be attached.
Stick it back in there for now and hope it doesn't move too far. Oh, we should probably say thank you to everyone who replied.
Thank you.
It says it comes from this evap canister, so...
Yep, thank you everyone. See, like, we don't need to reply, we'll just thank you in our next episode.
Yeah, that works.
Dealio?
We need to remove all of this. If anyone has like a normal stock intake they want to sell to us, that'd be just delightful because then we can get rid of this horrible piece of shit.
Please and thank you.
Well, obviously. Hang on a second.
We'll give you one packet of biscuits. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Make that pop noise. Yeah, there it is. One down.
There you go. Look at that.
Oh, piece of shit.
I don't think he likes it.
So now, with Misty's engine oil drained, there's one more thing to do. Because unfortunately I am just that stupid that I would forget. This is the problem we face. Gearbox drain is going to drain straight onto the axle stand. Balls.
What?
I dropped the thing and I was trying not to.
No.
Look at that. Got there in the end. Magnet on a stick to the rescue. Where do you think it is?
Oh, I don't know. Just go for anything. Ew, so gross. Hey!
You hear that? This is why we have a workshop.
Where is it then?
Yeah, it sounds a lot worse than it actually is.
What the hell?
You're not coming? Oh, what the hell? I always miss your jokes. What is wrong with me?
It's because you're not funny.
Yeah, that's probably true. There we go. Right, so we need to
Yes.
unplug all of these and push them through the firewall. There we go.
Ah, I'm scared.
That sounds like the end of the fucking world.
Why is it when we go out here it stops?
Can't see it on the camera at all, but there is hail, trust us. There we go. Yeah, they're awkward though.
In your opinion, is this car harder to work on, or was it the Audi?
I think, so I didn't do as much on the Audi. But the Audi was really hard to get at anything in the engine, and the Audi just had so many fucking problems. So I'd probably say, just based on that, the Audi was harder. This car is a delight to work on most of the time, and then every now and then it's a complete fucking ass.
Making movies.
Making songs and fighting around the world. Oh, blinding myself.
Yay!
Shove it in.
If we push this grommet through.
We put Misty up on axle stands so that we could drain the coolant, but we found one of them wasn't actually touching her at all. We suspect this is because she was straddling two different sections of the concrete floor. So we decided to put her on the wheel dollies and push her around onto one flat section of floor, at which point we ran out of time, so that was all we got done. So next time we'll be getting the car more ready and maybe even assembling an engine crane if we have one. Huge thanks to our 4 patrons. We did not expect really anyone to do that, to be honest, so that was amazing that we had 4 people. And of course you'll be seeing this first, so hey 4 patrons, and hey tomorrow everyone else. Does that make any sense?
No.
Cool.
Unfortunately, we have to wait for our engine crane because there was a bit of a palaver.
Well, yeah, we've ordered an engine crane and it's either arriving tomorrow or in 6 weeks, and we genuinely don't know which one it is. So, who knows?
Let's hope it's tomorrow.
Yeah, that would be nice.
But it's a good engine crane.
Yes, clearly being made from the finest Chinesium.
So thank you for watching this episode, and
Be back soon.
we'll be back soonish.
Maybe with an engine crane,
Maybe with
not.
an engine crane, maybe not.
Bye.
Bye! You're supposed to teach me, but
Yes.
you're a rubbish teacher, and
I'm a
sometimes you don't
terrible-
even know what you're doing.
Well, yeah, that is very true.